Q2 2025 earnings are in, and the numbers are strong. But here's the twist. The market isn't cheering every beat. Instead, it's laser-focused on what's next. And the growth versus risk balance has never been more important. Today, I'll break down who's leading, who's lagging, and which sectors could surprise you in the second half of 2025. The S&P 500 just posted 11.8% earnings growth. That's the third straight quarter of double-digit gains. 81% of companies beat revenue estimates, the best beat rate since Q2 2021. Technology is still the engine, with AI, cloud, and semiconductors leading the charge. Amazon delivered another monster quarter. AWS growth, record Prime Day, and AI integration across all operations. Financials surprised with stable credit quality and a rebound in IPO and advisory work. Healthcare and medtech showed defensive strength, steady pipelines and growth despite regulatory pressure. AI monetization is the story. Cloud, semiconductors, and software are pushing 20% plus growth forecasts. But watch for export controls and valuation fatigue. Discount retailers are resilient, while industrials see recovering demand. But trade policy and freight costs remain wildcards. Energy is the only sector down year over year, pressured by demand trends and the renewable shift. Here's where it gets interesting. I mapped each sector by growth potential and risk exposure for the second half of 2025. High growth, low risk, healthcare and medtech lead the defensive growth category. High growth, high risk, technology and Amazon remain in the opportunity but volatile zone. This isn't about picking winners blindly. It's about knowing where growth opportunities lie and what risks could derail them. Watch Q3 guidance closely. Markets are rewarding future visibility more than past performance. For tech, follow AI adoption rates. In healthcare, monitor drug pricing legislation. In retail, pay attention to holiday forecasts and tariff impacts. The second half of 2025 will be about balancing optimism with realism. Which sectors do you think will surprise the market? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you found this breakdown useful, hit like, subscribe, and share with fellow market watchers.